Hello and welcome back to the Weekends Off-Roading channel. Today we're going to talk about my DIY fridge slide. So I made the pull-out using parts I already had at home. The base of the slide mechanism is from a IKEA pull-out garbage bin, and I'll link that, and I'll even show you a video on this video. And then I just used that to do this pull-out for my fridge and cooler. Right now I just have my cooler in here and it fits. I have a fridge as well, a 12-volt fridge. I'll link all the products down below. But this also fits on this slide, and I'll show you what that looks like and how it works. So the handle here is just a 3D printed piece, and then the locking mechanism is also a 3D printed piece, as you can see here. And you just pull it out like this. And that's fully pulled out. So with it fully pulled out, I could access my fridge and do whatever I need to do, get whatever I need to get. And then the locking mechanism will stay here. But if you are on a severe hill, it will retract back down. And it's, again, very easy to push back in, just like this. And boom, that's how it locks in. And then if you want to lock it further, just so it doesn't rattle when you're driving, again, that 3D printed piece there, I just put that in. It's super easy to make this. So once you get that IKEA piece, you just have to unbolt the slide mechanism from the plastic housing, and then get a piece of plywood and cut it down to size, and then just bolt it all together, and you'll get this slide. Or you could get some slides from Amazon. I was trying to look for some flat slides, not the slides that attach on the side of each of the guardrails here. I wanted like a flat piece I could just attach to the piece of plywood that I already have. So I just use the IKEA one. You potentially can find the ones on Amazon. I just couldn't find the ones that I was looking for. So I just use this, and so far it works out, and the mechanism works out as well. So if you like these easy DIYs, subscribe, like the video. I'll be making more videos here. And then from there, let me know if you have any questions. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll talk to you soon.